Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you are looking to have a speaker hooked up to your iPhone, your Google phone, your Android phone, etc. This was sent over by a company called Scosche, and it is their BoomCan magnetic speaker. So obviously, once you open it up, you're going to get a user manual. We're covering all the features here in the video. You're also going to get a USB Type-C to C cable here. This is how you're going to charge up the built-in battery, and then you're going to get the BoomCan itself. So as you can see, this thing is super tiny and compact. It is only about 2.5 inches in diameter and about 1.25 inches tall. The whole speaker is right here on the front. Don't let the size fool you. This thing pumps out a lot of sound. It absolutely does sound really good. Obviously, it's not gonna sound like, this super expensive speaker system, but for the size, it puts out a lot of noise and it sounds very decent for its size. So I've been very pleased with the sound quality. How you're gonna operate it is on the front is a little button here. Simply press that down and it will go ahead and turn on. You're just simply gonna connect it to your device via Bluetooth. So you can connect it to your laptop, your tablets. However, it's designed with your phones in mind. So if you have, like I said, an iPhone that's MagSafe, you can see around the underside is a nice little magnetic. So if you have that ability, or you have, like I do, a MagSafe case, it simply attaches to that, which works really, really well. So now you have a speaker. So if you're doing any music or streaming services, it's right there on the back. It works great for if you're by the pool or you just listen to music from your phone. It's gonna sound better than your phone speakers, which is really nice. It also acts as a little kickstand, if you will. So if you do want to, let's say you're watching a movie or a TV show on your phone, it acts as a kickstand, and then the audio is coming out the backside, which is pretty cool. Now, another nice thing is this thing does have an IP67 water rating. What does that mean? That means you can drop this in a pool or a bathtub or something like that, and it can be underwater for up to 30 minutes, and it will be perfectly fine. So if you do wish to listen to music while you're chilling in the bathtub or in the shower, or like I said, by the pool, beach, whatever, you can bring this with you. It's good to go with that. And also because of the magnet, you can stick it to anything metal, not just necessarily the MagSafe cases, which is also very nice as far as utilizing it. Now, if you have multiple BoomCans here, if you have 2 of them, you can utilize these into stereo mode. That's only if you want to. If you got the single one, it just goes ahead and plays in its standard monotone speaker aspect of it. But overall, it works really well. If you're in the market and you're looking for a great little tiny speaker for travel, one that connects easily to your phone, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.